Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Tricker channel. If you did not subscribe this channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to get notifications from this channel. So thank you for watching and please like, share and post your valuable comment. Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about how to add subscription button in the corner of your YouTube video. So let's get into this video. Click the Creator Studio. In the Creator Studio, click the Channel tab and then Branding. You will see the branding watermark, a channel branding element to overlay on your videos. Click the Add a watermark. By showing for best results, use transparency and just one color. Recommended file format PNG or GIF. Maximum size 1 MB. Now I am choosing the file. The file has been added. Click the Save button. Now I am uploaded the watermark. Then Save. You will now see the subscribe button in my video. You can make the display time as your custom start time or for the entire video. I am choosing entire video. Now the video is saved successfully. I am checking. Yeah. Here it is. Now the subscription button is added in my video. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button below and like, share and post your valuable comment. Thank you for watching.